Have romance. Let's take a look. So you're involved with somebody. They're asking you to change your perspective on what's going on. So clear your headspace and take fresh eyes, and let's just see what's going on here. Okay, so it might have been a bit stormy. It might have been a bit tricky with what you've been involved in here. There's definitely love, definitely attraction. All of the good stuff is there. But your kind of head's not been clear enough to see what's really going on. So there's something unexpected coming in here, and whatever's going on in this, it's not over yet because there's unfinished business. It could be that you're involved with somebody from work, so it could be a workplace affair situation, not necessarily affair, but something going on. And there's going to be revealments with this, so there's something going to change in this and something going to happen now. It feels positive, so don't worry about this. It's just showing there you're both mirroring each other, so you feel the same. It does show that it's being a bit emotional. I don't think you maybe realised how much you both felt for one another in this, and it's just showing there that there's a possibility of a future here. So whether you or this person's involved with anybody else as well, this is definitely showing as potential for something. Both kind of quite obsessed with each other in a healthy way. It's just showing here January could be a key month to this. It does kind of feel exciting and fun and kind of a brand new phase in life. There's a lot kind of swirling around here energetically. There's a lot of looking online at one another, so whether that's social media or just trying to find out a little bit more about each other. But definitely a romance here. Now, you're wondering whether you can trust this person, whether something's coming, or who knows about this, what's really going on. So let's take a look. It just shows that you are shining brightly to this person. Okay, September is a month where things are going to change in a very positive way. It shows there's been nurturing going on here and growth in the connection. I do feel as though we've got kind of a twin flame situation showing. It does show here there are deeper feelings than you may think. So even if this is an affair, a situationship, something where you're not in a solid union just yet, the feelings run deep. Okay, it just keeps giving shared feelings. So however you're feeling, this person is definitely feeling the same, and there is an offer coming in of this person for something a little bit more. Now, I'm not entirely sure how much is on offer. I'm going to take a look at that now. It shows that offer could come in one evening. But it's an offer of stability, an offer of balance, harmony. They want to kind of move forward in some way. See, it shows here they feel like you are the prize. They definitely feel like they've won the prize. You're making them feel really good about themselves, and the chemistry is there, so you should be feeling exactly the same about them. I do feel as though there's a lot of playfulness to this, and there's a lot of kind of honeymoon phase energy in this. Now, if you're wondering if there's anything else going on or if this person's being a bit shady, because that's come up a few times, so I would say that you've probably got your doubts. If they've got a partner, are they going to leave that partner? Is there anybody else? Are they truly interested? The chemistry cannot be denied. However, it seems that there's maybe unfinished business going on in the background. When you least expect it, this person's going to come in and explain they want more, 100%. This is a soul contract. This is healthy. Once they've cleared out any of the past or any karmic ties that are still connecting them, it does show here that they will be wanting to move forward to something more serious with you. I do feel in the past there's been suffering, maybe on both sides. Know that this is a healthy connection. And enough reflection has gone on now for this person to know that you're somebody they want to spend real time with. They want more than what you've currently got at the moment. So don't let the ego get in the way. Open up to this person, because it could really be a peaceful connection. It's showing here. So yeah, go for it.